Chief Electoral Officer Kejela Meghalaya BDR Tiwari habekren bat kinong patai kubor. Ulong bag Kejela kadon arpuelak prapundrew hajar sispa asan puingot kinong tak vote hadok kalai terik risau hajar pulai. Hakaba napdeng kini laingot kidikitat janda bat kidon ru lai hajar praspa sapu prangot ki service voter. Ulih tu bagetanat election haduk mentah keladak bansam sispa nak sispa epek bat ke EP ratio kat kum santrik kula lengkot hajar pulai kalong hendrus pa sapusan bat ke gender ratio ha Meghalaya ha electoral roll kalong si hajar pua. CEO ula pentip bru bahaduk mentah gi polling station ni ke Jakarta vote Kejela kidon lai hajar sanspa kat arteli. Ya ka special summary revision jong Kejela on penmi ka arpenyo terik mentau risau bat kinu-kinu bedan kaman pentemai ne kentaj iki kerteng kila ban le narok arpenyo terik risau haduk ka kendai terik no pra arajar pulai bat kendan arteli ki special campaign kata ha ka cutway bat kat pra terik nai wiang ha ka ba ondan ki BLO ha ki Jakarta vote banira penbej ya ki jingdon kam
in the house to house survey. So if there are some eligible voters, whoever want to file their claim objections in respect to somebody has been passed away, in respect to the deletion of that person's name from the electoral roll, or inclusion of the probable voters name in the electoral roll, because now it is ongoing process. It is not, this is a special campaign for the special summary revision for the electoral roll, but that is ongoing process. So after 5th January, in respect to the qualifying date of 1/1/2024, if person has 18 year of age and they left, they can file after that also. And prior to that, so ongoing process is there. So claims and objections disposal is also an ongoing process. So BLO is a permanent person assigned for the particular polling part of polling booth. So under the prescribed pro forma, they have to authorize a person to be their booth level agent. So once the draft roll is being published, then they will appoint their BLAs and during that process, and they will furnish those reports to the concerned EROs and DOs. Third gender is 3.
But why only 3, sir?
So how can we say these are they have come and registered themselves as third gender? So option is open and we have nothing to say on that number. I can't comment. This is the data. I am speaking with the data only.